Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day for this one. New highs, higher lows, and did this analysis previously, so updates certainly need to be made here. And the first thing I'm going to do here is some house cleaning and just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, these levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So we're going into the day at $39 was that area of resistance from right there, but here's the classic example of this resistance now behaving as support. That's right where the price bounced from. So moving forward, that is what I would call the ideal level of support. Ideal, when you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And yeah, ideally, if the price can stay above 39, that would be great. But if the price falls below that level, don't get me wrong, it's not like the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying above that level would definitely be a great sign of strength moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line continues to come into play. The 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Party finally stopped today right up there at about $49.50. But let's just round that up to the $50 mark. So $50, public enemy number one, moving into Wednesday. But all in all, very nice movement. The trend continues. So let's see how the week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.